Unpacking Short-Term Exposure, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the English language and make it easy for you to understand, no matter your level. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but not fully grasped: short-term exposure. Stick around as we break it down, offering examples and contexts to help you use it confidently in your conversations and writing. At its core, short-term exposure refers to experiencing something for a brief period. This could be anything from a physical environment, a chemical substance, to new information or a type of activity. The key here is the duration. Short-term implies that the exposure is not prolonged or permanent. Examples: being in a room with loud music for a few minutes, trying a new food for the first time, learning a basic phrase in a new language. Each of these examples shows a temporary interaction with something new or different. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it comes up in various contexts, such as health and safety, education, and personal development. Health and safety. Talking about short-term exposure to sunlight or pollution. It's about how brief encounters can impact our health. Education. Discussing the benefits of short-term exposure to new languages or technologies. Highlighting how even brief interactions can aid learning. Personal development. Considering short-term exposure to challenging situations or tasks as opportunities for growth. Recognizing the nuances of short-term versus long-term exposure can help you better understand risks, opportunities, and strategies in different areas of life. Let's put our phrase into action with some sentence examples to get you comfortable using it. The study focuses on the effects of short-term exposure to screen light on sleep quality. After a short-term exposure to the new software, I felt more confident in navigating its features. Health guidelines recommend limiting short-term exposure to high decibel levels to protect hearing. These sentences showcase how the phrase can be versatile, fitting into discussions about health, technology, learning, and more. And that wraps up our exploration of short-term exposure. We hope this video sheds light on the phrase, helping you understand its meaning and contexts. Remember, learning English, or any language, is about piecing together the puzzle one word and phrase at a time. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.